Hey everyone, and welcome to Stuff Moms Have Time For. My name is Rebecca, and today's video is going to be a Christmas dupe DIY video. This is going to be an open collab hosted by Sonia from the Domestic Diva and Sandra from the Schwowin's Nest. I will link their channels below in my description so you can check them out. And the challenge was to take something that was a Christmas thing that you could find that you could make for a lot less money. I have seen these in stores for a very long time. I usually go to Disney World every single year, and I've always wanted to get one of these ornaments, but the sticker shock has always stopped me. So they're usually between $25 and $30 for these. So I decided to make my own version of them, and I started out trying to cut the tops of the baubles off, and that did not really work out so well for me. So what I tried was an alternate method. So I'm going to be using plastic ornaments today. I got the medium-sized ones and the large ones at the Dollar Tree, and the tiny ones were in a stack of 10 in the Target dollar spot. So I'm going to start out with 2 small ornaments and then 1 larger one to make the face of Mickey and then the 2 ears. And then with a ruler, I'm just going to draw about a ½ an inch away from the center, just to make sure that my ears are even. Now, because this is plastic, I am going to use a hot glue gun to basically melt a hole into this ornament. This worked way better than trying to cut the pieces off. And you're just going to hold the glue gun there and basically just melt a hole, and then take the top of the smaller ornament off. And then once the hole is large enough, you should be able to fit the ornament directly into the larger one. And then once you have a good hole and it fits well, then you just put a little bit of glue and stick it in there. So when I used the hot glue gun method, it just worked so much better than trying to glue on ornaments that I had cut. So I decided to continue with this method and then see how they came out. Then for my bigger one, I had perfected some of the smaller ones, so I decided to go after the actual ornaments that they have in the Disney store. So for this, I'm using 1 large Dollar Tree ornament and then a bunch of smaller ones, and I just used the same method of the glue gun, making a hole in the plastic and then gluing the ears inside. And then I wanted to finally make the one that I saw in the store, which was the silver one. I used the same method as I did before. Be sure not to push too hard into it because you don't want the plastic to break. And then all that's really left to do once you've had your ears on is to embellish it with some ribbon. And for my red Mickey ears, I did add some holly to the ears, just because I figured I would make a little mini to my Mickey Mouse. I think this one came out so cute. And then this one was the silver one that I made to match the one that I saw at the store. And with this one, I'm just going to take off the original string and add some silver ribbon to this. And that's it for this one. I really do love how it turned out, and this project, each ornament cost me about $2 to make. And you can really just use your imagination and come up really with any Mickey ears that you'd like to. I hope you guys like this DIY. Please also check out the playlist that I'm linking below for all of the other Christmas dupe videos that are going up today. Check everyone out. I know everyone's going to be super creative with this one. Please don't forget to subscribe and become part of Stuff Moms Have Time For family, and I will see you guys in the next video.